Meaning of gamma radiation.
Gamma radiation.
Gamma radiation.
Gamma radiation.
Gamma radiation. Gamma radiation refers to a type of high-energy electromagnetic radiation that is produced by the decay of atomic nuclei. These gamma rays have no charge and are highly penetrating, meaning that they can pass through a variety of materials including concrete and lead. Gamma radiation can occur naturally from sources such as the sun and cosmic rays, but it can also be produced by human activities such as nuclear explosions and medical imaging. Exposure to gamma radiation can be harmful and may cause damage to living tissues, including increasing the risk of cancer. Therefore, it is important to minimize exposure to this type of radiation whenever possible.